This is the most powerful gaming laptop of 2025, the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18. This machine is built to push the limit of portable gaming, and it's loaded with high-end specs, incredible cooling, and an 18-inch display that makes it feel like you're gaming on a desktop. Let's break down everything you need to know, and I really count on your support for this video, for all these likes, shares, subscriptions. Thank you very much. But first, let's address the main question. Can you build a similar specs PC and pay less than $7,000? Of course, yes, but if you'll find where to buy a GPU these days, let me know, please. But then you're stuck in your basement and no LAN parties for you, no cottage weekend gaming for you. You're just stuck at your mama's basement. No, I don't know. I stuck at my own basement. Let me know in the comments what basement are you stuck at. The Strix Scar 18 carries ASUS's signature bold gaming aesthetics. Sharp angles, customizable RGB, and that translucent design language that shows off hints of the internals. The chassis feels premium and sturdy while being portable for an 18-inch powerhouse. The laptop also features customizable pair-key RGB lighting on the keyboard, a lighting bar around the base, and an illuminated ROG logo on the lid. Of course, all of these can be synced through Aura Sync. One of the highlights of this laptop is, of course, an absolutely gigantic 18-inch Nebula HDR display. It's a Mini LED WQXGA panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1600, offering sharp, impressive experience. The refresh rate is 240 Hz with a 3 milliseconds response time. So it's tailor-made for competitive gaming, and I confirm that because I play CS2 almost every day. I play Warzone, like I'm deep in these games, you know. And 240 Hz, fastest response time, and huge screen are basic for these games. You're also getting 100% DCI-P3 coverage, G-Sync support, and 500 nits peak brightness for HDR. Honestly, I cannot use this laptop on maximum brightness indoors. It's just too much for me. The combination of size, refresh rate, the color accuracy makes this one of the best displays on any gaming laptop right now. And it's all plastic, so you might think it could be cheap considering the price tag for this laptop, but it is already very heavy, and to make it aluminum or any other metal would make it even more heavy. So plastic doesn't really feel cheap, but I must say you definitely gonna be cleaning it from fingerprints all the time if you like your laptop clean. Now let's talk about CPU and GPU performance. Inside, the Strix Scar 18 is powered by Intel's Core i9 275HX processor, a 24-core beast capable of handling heavy gaming, streaming, and content creation without breaking a sweat. On the graphics side, you get NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU with 24 gigabytes of GDDR7 VRAM. 2025 is insane. I don't know. It's insane. It runs at up to 175 watts with a dynamic boost, giving you a desktop level performance in a laptop form factor. This laptop makes it possible to run modern AAA games on ultra settings with 240 Hz on 18-inch. Like I did 30 plus hours of Throne and Liberty. I'm ashamed of that, but I did. God save me, I already playing in another MMORPG. Please, Lord, help. Obviously, I played Counter-Strike 2 for 30 more hours, and then Diablo 4, Cyberpunk 2077, etc. Like all the games I love, I played a lot on this laptop. In ultra settings, 240 Hz, and all of those games did more than 100 FPS. In Counter-Strike, it was even more than 200 stable. So I must say, if you play like really competitive and you have a 240 Hz screen, then you need at least 240 FPS. For games like Counter-Strike, for example, or Warzone, you need to go a little bit lower than ultra settings to squeeze more more FPS to take advantage of all the hertz you have in your laptop. This configuration comes with 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, running at 5600 MHz, dual channel for maximum performance. Storage is equivalently impressive. It's 4 terabytes of NVMe 4 Gen 4 SSD. It's freaking fast. It makes blazing fast load times and plenty of room for games, media, and creative projects. Both storage and memory are user upgradable, so it makes this laptop pretty much future-proof. You can easily open it and upgrade it. For example, you purchased the version with just a 32 gigabytes of RAM and just 2 terabytes of SSD. You can easily then, later on, when you have a new credit card, purchase more SSDs, more RAM, and just upgrade it. That doesn't affect your warranty, and it's very easy. And also, you can, open it from time to time and clean it yourself. Just make sure you know how to do that properly. A big reason why Scar 18 can sustain such powerful components is advanced cooling. ASUS uses conductonaut extreme liquid metal thermal compound on both CPU and GPU, which lowers temperatures significantly compared to a traditional thermal paste. Laptop also features tri-fan technology and full surround vents to keep airflow and noise level pretty high. Yes, it's loud. Do not expect any miracles to play AAA games on 240 Hz on ultra settings and in complete silence. That's just not how physics work, man. The keyboard is designed for gaming with paired key RGB, a solid 2mm travel distance, and customizable hotkeys for volume, microphone mute, and quick performance profiles. The trackpad is large, smooth, and precise. But let's be honest, most of the gamers will instantly buy a separate mouse to game on this laptop. And in my case, I can't handle playing on a keyboard. I cannot put my palm so close to a screen, and I need my angles. Sometimes like this, like it depends on the game. You put a keyboard in a certain angle, and that's how I roll. But having a laptop gives you an option. Again, if you go to a LAN party, you take only mouse with you, and you definitely can play on the keyboard. And if you go to a cottage or wherever you travel with your laptop, you can game. For a sound, you're getting a Dolby Atmos speaker system with smart amp technology. So right now the volume of the laptop is at maximum, as well as spinning of the vents, I believe. So it's pretty loud in here.
Is this how you're supposed to play this game?
It only costs $10 now. $10 Canadian. It's Battleground 2. It's on sale, $10, just go ahead and grab it. There are multiple speakers that deliver surprisingly good bass and clarity as for laptop. There are also pretty good microphones with AI noise cancelling, so you're ready to go for your business calls and even streaming if you need that. In terms of connectivity, you get 2 USB-C ports, one with Thunderbolt 4 support, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.0, Ethernet, and 3.5mm headphone jack. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 are built in, so you're covered for wireless performance on the highest end possible. And very important, let's talk about battery. The Strix Scar 18 packs a 90-watt battery with a support for 100-watt USB-C charging. That means while gaming, you will rely on a huge power brick. It's huge and heavy, but for lighter tasks, you can get away with USB-C charging. For example, in my case, back in the days when I was traveling to office every single day, I had a gaming laptop. It was heavy, and the power brick was even heavier. It felt like it. So I purchased an extra power brick to keep in office, so I would travel only with the laptop. In this case, you can get away with this regular USB 100-watt USB charger at work. It's cheaper and it's more convenient. On a single charge, you should expect around 6 to 7 hours of mixed usage, or just around 1 hour of gaming on max settings. But let's be honest, who would be doing that. Overall, I would even say that considering the performance, this laptop is pretty autonomous. Now, beyond specs, here are some real-world impressions. The laptop's display doesn't just look good on paper. In practice, it's one of the brightest, smoothest, and most color-accurate screens you can get on a gaming laptop. Performance across AAA titles is incredibly smooth, with frame rates consistently hitting well over 100 FPS at QHD+ resolution. Another thing worth noting, while laptop is a mobile device, this one 18-inch gaming laptop is huge and heavy. So obviously you need to consider a backpack and make sure you're not carrying it around every single day, because at some point it could be not worth it. I used to have a gaming laptop as my main computer, my daily driver, for like 4 years, and I would use it as a desktop for 99% of the times. But this 1% was worth it. When I had to be able to edit my videos on the go, when I was invited to LAN parties, etc. So if you do know that you could be in situations when you need your powerful computer with you, the laptop is your choice. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 2025 is not just another gaming laptop, it's a statement machine. With its Core i9 CPU, RTX 5090 GPU, blazing fast DDR5 memory, and one of the best 18-inch displays available, it's easily one of the most powerful gaming rigs on the market right now. If you're looking for uncompromised performance, incredible visuals, and the future-proof specs, or if you like this ting-a-ling-a-ling effect on your lid that you can absolutely customize, this ASUS is your choice. Let me know in the comments, would you choose this over building a desktop, or you still prefer flexibility of PC? And if you found this video helpful or entertaining, please support it by hitting like, subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.